Good morning from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Friday, July 26, 2013. A fairly strong cold front will be moving across the upper Great Lakes today and tonight, and that will bring the threat for some more thunderstorms across all of northern Michigan during the day and through at least the evening hours tonight before the front moves through. Better chance for severe weather today will be across Wisconsin, but there is a possibility if we see some instability develop that we could see some gusty winds with some of these thunderstorms and the possibility of some heavy rainfall. With the cooler air moving in over the warmer Great Lakes this weekend, we'll also see the threat for waterspouts within all three of the surrounding Great Lakes. Here's the current weather map for this morning. We see low pressure located over Lake Superior with a cold front that trails back to the southwest into Minnesota and into eastern Nebraska, and that's the front that we're bringing in the much cooler air as we head into this weekend. There's been some shower and some embedded thunderstorm activity associated with this front already early this morning, and we should see more develop across northern Michigan during the morning hours this morning, and we'll see periodic showers and thunderstorms pretty much throughout the day and into tonight before that front moves through. Here's the forecast weather map for this evening. We see that cold front just about on our doorstep by this point, with still plenty of shower and thunderstorm activity expected out ahead of it. And then by Saturday morning, the front will be pushing into Lake Huron, and we'll see some relatively dry weather to start the day on Saturday. We may see a little bit of drizzle across parts of northern lower, and then we may see some afternoon showers develop. And by Sunday morning, the area of low pressure hasn't moved a whole lot. It's up across northeast Ontario, but we do see some at least scattered shower activity forecast for most of Michigan by Sunday morning, and some of this is going to be due to lake effect precipitation. Here's the 3-day precipitation forecast. This runs from today through Monday morning. And we see generally anywhere from a half inch to an inch plus of rainfall expected across all of northern Michigan. So it looks like most areas are going to get some beneficial rains out of this event upcoming over the next, say, 18 hours or so. And here's the day one severe weather outlook. This comes from the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma. And as I mentioned earlier, there is a chance for some severe weather today across parts of Wisconsin. It doesn't look like we'll see real organized severe weather here across northern Michigan, but if we do see some thunderstorm activity, some of the stronger storms may produce some gusty winds with that. So again, that's going to be the main hazard for the next 24 hours is the chance for thunderstorms, and then we'll see waterspouts possible throughout the weekend around the surrounding Great Lakes. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thank you for listening in. The next update is expected around 5 o'clock this afternoon.